In high-rise building, so architecture and engineering will basically go hand in hand. It's a cohesive process that as an architect, you can't escape. You have to work with the structural engineer, you have to work with the mechanical engineer, you have to work with the electrical engineer and all other service engineers that might come on the project. And there are also other specialists that might come on the project, depending on how complex the high-rise is. But principally, you have to do a lot of coordinations. Your space can be planned in isolation from the information that the electrical guy requires. You need to know the ideas that the structural guy also wants to put in place inside in terms of, the span that are going to be allowed between columns, the type of the slabs, the thickness of the slabs, or where the duct locations are going to be for servicing. So you have to be on top of your game to be able to work on an high-rise building, because everybody's information comes back to your desk as an architect, and you have to ensure that everything is well put together for the result that we see in the building at the end of this. So basically, your relationship with the engineers is what we call them allies. More like you are chasing the same goals and you're working hand in hand together. A lot of meetings, a lot of coordinations, and understanding their requirements also, based on codes, based on standard practice, and you have to be able to put all of that together for high-rise buildings. So the relationship is actually total, and it's continuous from the inception all till when you hand over the project.
Yes.